So hello everyone, welcome to another video. So today is 15th February and today we are recording this video very late. A lot of reasons are there. It's not like I woke up very late, but it's because I was working today and Afan came today as well. So we were just busy researching about the things which we discussed yesterday. So yeah, today we are recording this vlog around yep 9:05 p.m. So yeah, I guess I will directly show you the things that we did today, the research and the plans for upcoming days. So yeah, let's go on the laptop screen. I will show you.
2 hours later.
So here we are at the laptop screen right now, and this is the second screen, which I keep connected with this to do multitasking. We will get into this as well, but let's talk about that what agendas we had. So basically, there were three agendas. First one was niche and service selection, then scripting, and then profile setup. So basically niche and service selection are two other things. Basically niche you can say you can consider as the businesses category, like for example bathroom renovation, kitchen renovation, gym, restaurant. So these are the niche in which we will work on. And the services selection obviously like digital marketing, video editing. So these are the kind of services that we will provide to them. So basically we needed to choose them because there hell a lot of niches, hell a lot of services as well. So we need to classify these things and then we need to select. Then we have the scripting thing. So basically scripting thing is very simple. You need a script to approach your clients. For example, you guys are approaching me for some reason, consider me as a company. So you are approaching me to give services, so you need a proper script to ask me. You will just not come directly to me and will ask that, sir, can you take our services as well, um, like kind of these things. So we are not gonna do that. We should look professional, so we are gonna make the script as well. Then we had profile setup. So basically we didn't work on profile. Basically we decided that tomorrow I will go at a fast home if possible. Then we will take some pictures of us and then we will put on our Instagram page, so it will look good. Now let's come to this screen. So basically let me show you everything. Firstly we had niche selection. So basically we currently have chosen three niches right now, which consist of gym, real estate, and restaurant. Real estate is very high ticket, so we are not considering much. But as restaurants and gyms are very low ticket, so that's why we are considering. If you don't know about those high tickets and low tickets, we will discuss in another video. But today let's just complete this thing. Then we have service selection. Obviously for services we are just choosing digital marketing because we have experience of that, we have expertise of that a lot, so that's why we are choosing. Now when it comes to scripting, so there are two types of scripting. Number one, first impression, that you are just contacting any company with your name, with your company name, and you are telling them that this is your problem with your company and we can help you fix that. So in that case, you will use the script first impression. Then you have the second script, which is follow up. If they didn't reply you in 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, like you don't obviously wait don't much that much, but still consider that they didn't reply you to for 2 days, so you will just send them the follow up message, follow up email. So basically we have two script. So this is script number one. This is first impression subject, and in this bracket we will use our custom things. For example, hi client's name, we will use client's name. Then this is the complete email. You can see here will be my name and here will be my company name, which is pixelwave.com. If a fan is approaching, then there will be his name like this. I noticed that mention something specific about the client's business or industry. So this is very important that we include that, otherwise they won't contact us or they will reply us because it doesn't look professional. We need to tell them that that's your problem. Obviously if they don't know about the problem, how they are gonna how they are gonna take our services? It's not possible until unless we tell them their problems. So that's how we are gonna do that. Now when it comes to follow up script, this is the same thing, but we are just saying, hi, I hope you are doing well. I wanted to follow up on my previous email regarding how your company name, like my company name, can assist. Then client's company name with specific goal or outcome. So in this bracket, we need to fill specific custom options, custom sentences. I understand you are likely busy, and but I believe there's great opportunity for us to work together and achieve. Mention the benefit or outcome. This is very important. For example, it happens a lot of time, like you try to reach any company and they just send your email into spam, which is common. There's nothing like this is not uncommon, this is really common. So that's why we are doing that. Mention the benefit or outcome. Mention the benefit. You need to present anything that's their benefit, so that's why they will contact you back. And next sentence is simply that, would you be open to a quick chat this week to explore this further? And sorry for it wasn't focusing. Looking forward to your response. Best regards, your name. So for now this is our plan, and we are going to execute that as well. By the way, there is one more thing in which we did some research, but I'm not sure it's the right time to tell right now. It's regarding the lead gen, like how we are going to do the lead generation and all. So I will tell in another video if possible. But for now, this is the plan. This is our plan. And today is 15th February, as I told you. So I guess from 20 February, we are gonna outreach before 20 or 20. So yeah, that is it. I hope you liked the video. If you have any feedback or anything, you can comment. I will definitely check those comments. And thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next one.